Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to select multiple games to delete at the same time on your PlayStation 5 to free up some storage space so you can download more games and apps. So if you want to download and delete games, well, it's very easy to do. Go to the game, press the options on it, and then you can delete one game at a time, just like this. Now, how do you select multiple games? Well, you need to go to settings and go to storage. So go up the top, then going down to storage, and then go to your console storage and go to games and apps. Now, under here, if we delete a game, we can select multiple games to delete at the same time. So we can go to select all, delete everything if we want. Otherwise, just go to the individual game, select it, go to the next game, select it, and then you can see on the right the amount of available space you will have after deleting and the selected amount right there in gigabytes. So we can go to delete and delete those multiple games. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.